Welcome to the installation guide for the Arnott rear shock absorbers for the Land Rover Range Rover Velar L560 with adaptive and air or coil suspension. This video will walk you through the steps to ensure a smooth installation of your vehicle's suspension system. Let's get started. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Lift the vehicle and remove the applicable rear wheel. Then remove the top mount nuts. Disconnect the wire harness from the top of the shock and remove the bottom mount nut. Leave the bolt in place for now. Then, slightly rotate the top to relieve tension against the studs and pull the shock forward to unmount from the studs. Remove the bottom mount bolt and remove the shock from the vehicle to complete the removal. Disassemble the OE shock by removing the top nut. Pull the top mount off along with the bump stop and the shock rod spacer. Place the bump stop and shock rod spacer onto the new Arnott shock. Install the OE top mount and secure using the new provided lock nut to complete the assembly. Install the assembled Arnott shock into the vehicle and insert the bottom mount bolt to hold the shock in place. Make sure to tighten all nuts and bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications during the installation process. Seat the top mount onto the studs using the rotation method from the removal section. Connect the electrical connector to the provided coil and place the bracket onto the stud. Install the top mount and bottom mount nuts. Reinstall the wheel to complete the installation. Thank you for following our guide on replacing the rear shock absorbers with Arnott parts. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.